was
My
made
lord,
on
whatever I am submitting, your lordship is saying no, no. Whatever he is submitting, your lordship is
He
yes.
said anything.
So very nice. I am so grateful. Pass your order. But today my impression is something that so far state of West Bengal is concerned in such a matter, your lordship will say no, your lordship will say yes to Subhendu Adhikari.
This is an application.
Why? Under what law? It's a mandamus. Enforcement of legal right. What is that law? And you are aware about the fact that 144 is there. I mean, now the 163. His prayer is itself is this. But that every time a political leader will take the court blessings and go to the public, because of the court I have come here, this is also not permissible. My lord, kindly do not allow this forum to be utilized politically. If it is not required, your lordships have correctly observed. He can go, two persons will go. What is the difficulty? There is no difficulty. Until he does any illegalities, if he commits any illegalities, we will take steps. And we cannot take steps because of the High Court's blessings. No FIR can be lost against him anywhere. High Court has passed an order, and 3 years this is there. He will go, he will do everything, he will activate criminal activities, he will get slogan, he will do everything. He can file any cases, 1,000 cases, but against him, not a single case is allowed. High Court blessing is there.
Yes.
Therefore, he was not required to. My lord, why the Reed Court? Why I am arguing, I tell you, lords. Why the Reed Court will exercise the power? If 16th is last, it has become infructuous. For tomorrow, your lordship is not required to pass an order unless 163 order is passed face. Why your lordship will give the blessings to him? Is he a Superman?
No, to ensure the right guaranteed under.
No, to ensure means
part 3.
My lord, kindly. Now, where is this? Where is right has been infringed? My lord, your lordship. My lord, your lordship.
In a legislative assembly, is being prevented to go to a particular place.
Where he has been prevented. My lord, where he has been prevented. My lord, a leader of opposition does not enjoy any extra status other than my lord, kindly. My lord, that is the incorrect impression are being carried by few judges of this court. Leader of the opposition are not privileged persons beyond the assembly. My lord, sorry.
Don't make aspersions against any judges.
No, it's all right. My lord, all the time.
Not accept very.
No, that's all right. If you may not like me, that doesn't matter. But leader of the opposition is not God. Every time your lordship's court is saying, where is it?
Today, if the order passed in terms of 163 BNSS does not make any prohibition for visiting the petitioners to a particular place, as it appears, then why you are
why he has made
why you are making an argument in order to prevent?
I cannot understand, my lord. I am sorry. Kindly excuse me. Your lordships will take the exception. Unfortunately. No. Unfortunately, your lordships will take the exception.
What I am just
your lordships. No. That is it. This is being done. Kindly do not indulge anything from this institution for giving a political thought, which is going on.
Yes.
Unfortunately, it is there. Now, first let us come to the law. Let us come to the law.
The order, yes.
If
it is required, then the order.
Unfortunately, I could not make myself clear.
No. Yes. Very much clear, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
I'm very dull-headed.
You are a seasoned advocate.
I am not intelligent.
You are arguing for last 10 minutes. You have made your client stand absolutely clear.
Not clear.
Now,
but still, you are asking the questions. Therefore, I am not making my
the first question under 163 BNSS does not make any prohibition. So far, the visitation of the petitioner is concerned to that particular locale.
Yes.
Then why you are arguing this matter?
No, I am not. Why he has made this application?
Because in view of the previous order.
What is previous orders?
Now there was an order passed by under section 163 BNSS. That order was not part of the writ petition. Now it has been rightly stated in the writ petition that order has been passed under section 163. Now 163 order has been.
Then in that case, your lordships have to take it. In that case, your lordships kindly give time. In that case, we will show the division bench order. He was not allowed to enter.
Very good.
Yes, please, Mr. Biladal Bhattacharyya, Mr. Biladal Bhattacharyya, have your presence. You have come up with your all friends, central government agency in such a matter. You have come up with it all, served everyone. We know about what is the modus operandi. We know about all this. Now, Milord, no. Go. Why the court blessing? Why the court blessing is required? My point is, Milord, will you allow, or Mr. Bhattacharyya, I will not allow you to make submissions if you go on continuing this until I finish it. And what will happen when you will be elevated as a judge? At least don't sit in Calcutta High Court. Fully political we would be.
I think this discussion can be carried on at the corridor.
No, there's any discussion can be carried on.
Yes.
Any discussion can be.
Yes.
Milord,
Yes, Mr. Bandwad.
First, Milord, 163 does not. 163 anyone can go. All right. Subject to the condition up to 5. There, he didn't make the application. Who has made the application? What he is trying to do? What he is trying to do? Request to allow Sri Subhendu Adhikari, Honorable Leader of Opposition, West Bengal, along with one MLA and their Central Security personnel to visit Mahestala under Rabindranagar Police Station. As per the directions, I want to meet.
Well, I am directing the petitioner to make an application in course of this day and allow him to.
Why the application is needed? I don't understand that.
Allow him to. Because apparently there is no restrictions in the order dated 13 June 2025 if less than 5 persons go there.
Yes, no. Then in that,
within the parameter,
Milord, in that case,
I'm
sorry, my lord.
Within the parameter,
in that case,
please allow this court to express its mind also. Within the parameter of the order dated 13 June 2025 issued by the subdivision magistrate, I will permit them to go within the parameter.
Can I make submission then?
Yes.
Therefore, Milord, your lordship wants to give him blessings.
No.
That's right. Political blessings. It will be.
Not a political.
No, naturally. Why the High Court will entertain a petition?
No.
High Court will entertain a petition. Why the High Court will entertain a petition when 16th is there, 16th is last? Yes. Why your lordships want to give the blessings? No, that would be for the. No, that's right. It's a blessing. It's a blessing.
Application was made. This was turned down by the concerned.
Not turned down.
In reference to 163 order. Now 163 order has been placed before this court. On perusal of 163 order, it appears that within the parameters, issue can be sorted out. And since the prayer of the petitioner at first was not allowed, permit him to visit the place in order to give sanctity of the constitutional right which every citizen enjoys.
But I do not understand why lordship is perceiving that we are destroying the constitutional right.
Being a
unfortunately
constitutional court, court considers this from the angle of Article 90.
That's right, Milord. We are in your lordship is a constitutional court, but we are also, Milord, know something about the constitutional law. Unfortunately, I know something little about the constitutional law. And your lordship is the constitutional guardian. Yes. I know that your lordship's knowledge is far better than me in the constitution. That is no problem of that. Question is whether the court will pass an order when there is no cause of action.
We got cause of action is there.
Nothing.
What Mr. Bandwad is submitting in this.
Nothing.
This is the page 54.
Why the page 16?
Yes.
No. Page after 16 there is nothing. No order is there.
Page 54 order is there by your superintendent of police.
Superintendent of police passed an order on the basis of his application. Was the application warranted?
No. Application was
My
made
lord,
on-
whatever I am submitting, your lordship is saying no. Whatever he is submitting, your lordship is yes.
said anything.
So very nice. I am so grateful. Pass your order. But today my impression is something that so far state of West Bengal is concerned in such a matter, your lordship will say no, your lordship will say yes to Subhendu Adhikari. You may take exception to my knowledge. This is not correct that when this is the reason I do not decide. My lord, do not, if this is said, if this is said, I will file an affidavit. There is no communal violation. Come to this.
Well, I keep this matter pending.
Yes.
You file your affidavit.
Yes.
Submit a report.
Yes.
But in the meantime, permit it.